In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and customize emails in Brevo. Start by opening the Brevo email editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see your canvas in the middle and a panel of content blocks and design settings alongside it. Begin by selecting the content area you want to work on. The editor highlights sections as you hover, so click the highlighted area to activate it. To add rich media, choose the video block. Brevo will place it into your layout, and you can paste your video link to generate a thumbnail that clicks through to your video. Next, add a button block. After it appears, click the highlighted button label in the canvas to change the text, and use the settings on the right to set the URL and style. Branding comes next. Insert a logo block so your email is instantly recognizable. Follow that with a social block to add your social profiles. Click each highlighted icon to update links or choose which networks to show. If you're showcasing items, add a product block. Then fill in the highlighted fields for image, name, price, and link. For site navigation, drop in a navigation block and edit the highlighted menu labels and URLs. If elements feel cramped, add a spacer block to fine-tune vertical breathing room between sections. With your structure in place, switch to the design area. Click the background option to set a background color that complements your brand. Enable the Show View in Browser link so recipients can open the email in a web view if their inbox clips or blocks images. Open text styles to define consistent typography across headings and body text. Adjust font size for headings, then select the text color to ensure strong contrast and readability. Tweak font size for paragraph text to keep it legible on both desktop and mobile. If needed, adjust the width of the email body to find a comfortable line length. The preview will update as you go. When you're ready to review, open Preview and Test. Choose Preview to see how everything looks and switch between desktop and mobile views to check spacing, line breaks, and button tap targets. Then pick Send Test Email. Enter your test address and send. Give it a moment. Open the message in your inbox and verify links, images, and styling. Back in the editor, save your work so you don't lose changes. When your design feels dialed in and reusable, choose Save as Template. Now you've built a polished email in Brevo, customized the content and design, previewed it across devices, tested it in your inbox, and saved it for future campaigns.